All right. Take two of transferring, buying, and selling tokens on Blockbrain, transferring GLIA tokens, um, and buying and selling. So we've got two users up here. We're just on the test net, but you can see by seeing Roxton and Paiku. That's the name of the tokens of the blockchain, and Pixeliku. Anyhow, so we got two people over here. We got Dr. Dur and Larry. Those usernames are stored in the blockchain. I can rename Dr. Dur if I want to Sir Dr. Dur and change the color of that. What's the token? Oh, wait. Sir Dr. Det. Who cares? It's the test blockchain. Chill out. So let's just do it. We're proving it. Sir Dr. Det. And then we see that transaction popping up. So that's my blockchain username. That's something that you can use for convenience and reference here. So let's say Larry's got a lot of tokens over here. Let's get some out of Larry's wallet because let's send a picture. La-di-da. It doesn't really matter, so let's pick this one, 106, even though subjectively it's not really my favorite. I just kind of All right, computer slows down a little bit while I'm recording. Okay, so we've got this token up here. We've got some controls here. I won't go into all of these right now, but you kind of get a lot of controls here in the studio. So you see these are grayed out. They're not, can't click them yet. We need to do something with this token. So we want to send it to Dr. Dur. Do I see him there? Sir there's his new name. See, we see it over here. We haven't even refreshed it here. We'll just refresh it so we can see that in the meantime. So we can gift this token, transfer it in token parlance, but in the parlance of our button, it's called a gift. And so because we're not going to make any money out of this, and so we're going to send this over to Sir Dr. Det, as he is now known, over there on the left-hand side of the screen, fetching his tokens. And now you can see this is a pending transaction here. This is all happening in the blockchain. Ooh, and I believe that one happened fast. I just saw it pop up on my MetaMask. Things happen fast in the test network. Let's just confirm. See, it says recently updated here. We can see the owner is now this string here ending in B5. This ends in A5, and Sir Dr. Det ends in B5. I believe this token has been transferred to our good friend, Sir Dr. Det. Let's just refresh his page here. This was number 106. We'll refresh this page over here. Let's see who has what tokens. Now, if you don't know about these browser extensions and stuff like that, MetaMask, really learn about some Web3 stuff. We'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, that's the core of blockchain transactions. So anyhow, Sir Dr. Det over here has token number 106, transferred from his good friend Larry. So he just got this as a gift. So let's just say, so he's got that token. So let's say he wants to, Dr. Det wants to make a token. So let's just draw one. And he wants to draw and, sell his token. And let's just say he's a famous artist and he can get away with making silly kind of art, low effort, but people eat it up. People are going to eat this up. I have a feeling that Larry might buy this for his collection. Look at how many tokens he has. He has almost half of the supply. This guy over on the right is a whale. Okay, so let's mint this to the blockchain. and I'm going to hit confirm. And hopefully I didn't. Okay, cool. So this is going through. I don't want to, touch this artwork while it's going through because I want to talk about how these are non-fungible because even though the non-fungible standard really says all it needs to do to advance is have kind of like a serial number, so you can't have two tokens with the same number. Like you have only one token number one, only one token number 2, 3, 4, and so on. But this was created back in 2018, and really wanted to make sure things were non-fungible, and you do have that with non-fungible tokens today too. A lot of making sure that stuff is diverse. So that token went through, and so that data is now in the blockchain. So now what I'm going to try to do is mint it again, and you will see an error should be thrown by the contract because this exact data lives in the chain. We're waiting for the notification. See, transaction error. So that means that this token is totally unique. You can also see it's converting it, the new token for the web over there. So let's just let it do that and not futz with it too much. But this is a unique token, so we can try to throw this transaction, but it will not work in the blockchain because there are rules in the smart contract. All right, so his token's been minted. We don't see the image yet because it's not cached in our system, so let's just refresh and should see the image pop up of our new token. Because this is all blockchain data, it has to convert it to an image once it says, oh, hey, your token got created. My computer is just being slow right now. The internet. Oh, see the pinwheel? That's what happens when you. I'm not sure what just happened with this. Oh, let's just say the image conversion process I was working on it just a second ago, and I may have messed something up. So let's just take this. Let's just take another token and sell it. So we're going to go to the store here. And that will be fixed. How do you think all these other images go there? If you don't believe me that token is in there just fine, if you've seen any of the other videos, you'll know that there's a bulletin board system where you can fetch this and raw data kind of format and render it here. And there's a little bit different flow data-wise. So we're just going to log in here, and I'm just going to show you that token is here because I do not want you to think that there's a bug. There could be a bug in my BBS, but so that was token 133 on the testnet. So token Ropsten 133, and it should be brought up here. And there we go. We see it. Okay. Thank you, BBS, for being a source of truth. We'll fix that. Really don't like the way that's engineered because we don't have to have these images at all. That's just so we can bring up these thumbnails and not overload your computer with rendering this stuff from the blockchain. So that's what makes this stuff valuable. Is that it all exists in the blockchain. If you go to our GitHub, you can go see our social media sites here. But if you go to our GitHub, you can see how to decode this data from the blockchain. If you go to our encode, decode, metadata. But kind of digress there because we really just want to do some bull stuff here and sell some stuff. So we have 17 tokens we can sell, and I'm going to put this one up for sale. And you can see we have a pipe here, Ethereum units. So let's just, Larry's a whale. Look at how much he's got here. I don't know. It's going to take a while, but I know Larry's got he's got 9 Ethereum. Let's add some zeros to this. Because look at what Dr. Durr has, or Dr. Det, Sir Dr. Det. Sir Dr. Durr sounds much better. I should have fixed that for the sake of the video. So got 17 Pico in here, but he's got only 0.27 Ethereum, and he's got 8. Let's get some money. Okay, because I think he's got to buy all the tokens. 3.3 Ethereum. Mind you, this is in the testnet. This is all just for fun. Feel free to have as much fun as you want in the testnet. Go search for the Ropsten faucet to figure out how to get some free Ethereum in your wallet on the testnet. Put this up for sale for a price of 3.3 Ethereum. Oh man. Come on. Daddy needs a new boat. So you can see that transaction went to chat. It already got confirmed. Things go super fast on the testnet. Great for a demo. I try to go for the versions. Okay, so let's go to the sales store over here. So we go to the store with Larry, because Larry is the whale. He's going to go to the store and he's going to say, oh my God, I recognize that artwork for 3.3 ETH, and that looks great. That's Huey Lewis. And he's going to say, I got to buy this. I got to buy this before someone else does. This is a bargain. Okay, so a mere $9,000, but only 41 cents is transaction fee on the testnet. So that transaction is pending. Okay, this is exciting. Dr. Durr, what's in my wallet? It hasn't gone through yet, I don't think. Don't go through too fast. I want my old balance. Oh, look, there it is. Wait. Oh, the store took a cut. The store takes a little bit of a cut on this version. It's really on the testnet. It's a really kind of like ridiculous cut. It's not like that on the main net. But we still got 3 Ethereum out of that. Wow, look at that. So yep, that's buying and selling, because we sold it to Larry. So that's what I wanted to do and show you. But you know, these are NFTs, and you might have some questions, like can you use these on other sites? And that kind of answer is yes. So like let's go over to the mainnet. Yes, and a little bit known. We're trying to fix that. We've been kind of bugging sites like OpenSea and Rareables, because we're a project that was kind of forked off of CryptoKitties before ERC21 was a complete standard. So we have all this metadata and stuff, but our stuff is completely on chain. You can see some of our other videos on that if you're curious. But there is metadata, and so but if you go to Rareable or something like that, and if I go there I think I'm on the main net now. I do have some tokens here, so you can see that these collectibles show up on Rareable. You can sell them, but we're trying to get the metadata updated. So if you know anyone at Rareable, please, bug them. And same thing with OpenSea, except OpenSea is a little bit even more annoying because they really, want to do it their own way. But they also support CryptoKitties, CryptoPunks. None of those, all those things, predate the standard and it's all usable. This is about as decentralized as it can be because it's the data lives on the blockchain. All these images that you've seen are just for thumbnails and stuff for the website to look pretty. But I like to look at it in the terminal. So anyhow, if you could bug anyone at OpenSea or Rareable, maybe we'll do a token giveaway. Just let me know. We've got social media link down here at the bottom of the page. Might be being hidden by really pushing the computer hard here. Buy some of my tokens for sale. I need to buy a new computer for 3 Ethereum. I'm gonna sell one, hopefully. Down here at the bottom, you have our social media links. I think I'm going to move these social media links so they're easier to find. Now I'm talking in an accent, apologies. So you have, our Discord where you can chat, and, that's also bridged by our chat room here. So, I mean, if I pull up my Discord, you can see the transactions come through here, but you can also chat, and so that will be persisted. So say, I need help, Discord, and so, shows up over here on Discord, also shows up on the BBS if we're logged in over there, but looks like we logged out. So yeah, that's this video. So kind of went off into tangents there, but you should hopefully know how to transfer, buy, and sell tokens, aka art. You just go to the studio to initiate a transfer. We probably know about how they're non-fungible, how you can't mint the same token twice. You should know how to go into the store and put something up for sale, or go into the store and buy something. You might also follow up with people at Rarible or OpenSea to bug them to better support the token, and let them know that you want to see it there. I'm bugging them too. I've only been bugging them for like a couple of weeks, but if we just get what do they call it? Who knows? But you get a bunch of people and you freaking say, we want our Blockbrain NFTs, GLIA, supported GLIA tokens. So that's what you need to do. All right, thanks for watching. Now go transfer, buy, and sell tokens. It's good for the economy.